G'day everybody, it's me Sissy and Little Miss Munchkin, and we've got a Dollar Tree haul for you today. And I've got one or two things from the Dollar Tree Plus, so stay tuned to see what we got. Okay, we're going to start with something I picked up at Goodwill. It was this cute little kind of primitive Americana tea light holder that's an angel. So I'm going to see what I can do to this to kind of fix it up and match my decor. I was so cute I couldn't pass it up. It was $2.95. So we'll get that out of the way and then we'll get to the Dollar Tree stuff. Oh, and it does have a little holder in the back for a tea light, or you can fold it up. I'm not real sure why you would want to fold it up, but anyway, it's there. Okay, and now this is the Dollar Tree. I just got some of the foam rounds. These are 4.8 inches. And there's 2 in a pack, so I picked up 4 of those. And they had some L'Oreal eyeshadow. And I got this, it's called Infallible Paints Metallic. And I got numbers 400, 402, and 404. So some really pretty colors. Got that kind of pinkish color, the gold, and you can hear the puppy drinking water, and the gray. So I thought that was great for $1. And I picked up this solid plastic pet placemat with little paw prints on to go under their food bowl. I thought that was really cute. And then I got these ice cubes with lids, and they have a little spout where you can fill it up and easily transport it to your refrigerator without spilling. And then the thing I like is I can stack my trays up and I don't have to worry about, you know, lining them just right so it doesn't dip down into my ice. So I picked up 2 of those because yes, I am old school and I have ice trays. I don't have an ice maker. I have a bad habit of crunching ice, and I like ice tray ice better than ice maker ice. I know, it's crazy. I picked up the Jot foam mounting squares, double-sided. There's 60 in it. Got that. I'll reach down. Oh, and I got this trash can here. It's a good size. I got this at the the Dollar Tree Plus store. This was $5. It's a 5.8 gallon and is very sturdy. So I've been absent a little while from YouTube because I had a leaking pipe in my bathroom and it ended up having to have my bathroom gutted and redone. So I picked up a new trash can to go in the bathroom. We're going to do it in gray. So then I picked up a few little organizing containers here. These are flip-top containers with lids. I'm trying to see what ounces it says. I think it's 9 ounces. They have the nice little, very sturdy lids. So I'm going to reorganize my pantry, and I thought I could put those to use in there. So I picked up 6 of those, or 9 of those, excuse me. And this is not a big Dollar Tree haul, but it's just a few items. Dig my stuff out. These cute little stickers here. There's 5 pieces. Tile border gems. I thought those were real cute. I picked those up. This cute little bracelet. It's the yellow beads and it says happy, and then it's the multicolor like friendship bracelet. So I love a bracelet, so I picked that up. And the 3-count burlap trim. It's 3 yards of burlap, different types of burlap trim. I like those, so I picked them up. And my sister, I'm going to work on a little craft project for her, and I picked up the 18 paper straws with a little red chevron design on it. and this cool Crafter Square iron on art kind of glittery butterfly to iron on the t-shirt. Three, two, one. And I got some assorted greenery. This is just called foliage, and it is a little plastic, but if you put it in a wreath from far away, you won't be able to tell how white plastic it really is. But they had different kinds. That kind of looks like eucalyptus. That kind of looks like ferns. And some more little airy, kind of like baby's breath. And some that kind of look like ivy. So I picked that up. And you can't beat that for $1. But anyway, y'all, I know that was really quick. I have really been trying not to go to Dollar Tree so much and try to use up some of the stuff I already had. So on top of that, we've been doing everything in the bathroom and other stuff around the house. But anyway, I hope to get back to doing more videos soon. So remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.